Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to import data from another sheet on your Microsoft Office Excel book or spreadsheet. So first open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. To import data from another sheet is easy. All we need to do, either we are going to do it manually by adding a formula. So I'm going to initiate my formula with the formula's initiator, which is the equal operator, and I'm going to add the start with the name of my sheet that I want to import the data from. So it is the sheet 2 in the cell E10. So I'm going to click like this and going to add the name of the sheet and add an exclamation mark as a reference for a sheet. And now we are going to add our cell. So we said it is an E10. So I'm going just to write the name of the cell. I just have this quote mark. We will delete it and click OK. Now I can fill down, and as you can see, it will uh, perfectly import the data from here. There is another way which is easier, is by clicking automatically on the cell that we want to add to take data from, and the Microsoft Excel will automatically insert the exact formula. So I'm going just to click on the formula initiator and go to my cell that I want to take data from, and I'm going to click on it like this and click OK. Uh, wait, so I'm going like that and click on this and OK. And as you can see, it did the exact same operation. It did exactly like that without any without needing us to write all the things. So I can fill down again my formulas and I will have it. I will have successfully imported data from the other sheet. So as you can see, this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.